day, I will give you a tutorial how to order an online motorcycle taxi through one of the apps, which is Maxim. First, we're going to go to the app. It can be downloaded from the Play Store. This is the app. Here, I've been using Maxim app for a long time, and I'm going to show you how to order online motorcycle taxi to be our transportation. Right here, we can fill in our pickup location first. Let's enter our home address. Then, if we have just entered our destination address, later, yes, pickup points can also be filled here so that more locations, detailed and clearer, and it's easier to get there quickly. Here we just enter the destination location. After entering, we can wait, and here will be some identity of the driver. Here too, we can opens the messaging feature to communicate with the driver. After that, we can ride just fine, safe and comfortable.